Wait until you see the finished product. Today, we're making a whole snapper, perfectly seasoned, baked to perfection, and absolutely full of flavor. It's one of those dishes that looks impressive, but is actually simple to make. Fresh, colorful, and incredibly satisfying. I've already cleaned the fish completely, head, tail, and all. When you're buying your snapper, look for clear eyes and firm flesh. That's how you know it's fresh and ready to cook. Now, let's get it ready for seasoning. Using a sharp knife, I'm making a few diagonal cuts on each side of the fish. This helps the seasoning soak in deeply, so the flavors reach every bite. It also helps the fish cook more evenly in the oven. Next, it's time to put together our seasoning blend. You'll need 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper for brightness, 1 teaspoon of paprika for a rich color and smoky flavor, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, a little black pepper for a mild kick, a touch of slap ya mama, or your favorite Cajun seasoning for that extra punch, half a teaspoon of oregano for depth, some minced fresh garlic for aroma, and half a lime. Now, mix everything together in a small bowl. Take a moment to smell it. It should already be fragrant, with a nice balance of citrus and spice. Rub the seasoning mix all over the fish. Don't be shy. Use your hands to really get it into those cuts and inside the belly. Massage it gently, making sure every inch of the snapper is well coated. This is the key to that deep, flavorful crust when it bakes. Next, line a baking tray with foil and drizzle it with olive oil so the fish doesn't stick. Lay your snapper on top, then add a little more olive oil on the surface for shine. Now for the colorful part, the veggies. I'm adding slices of yellow pepper, red pepper, scallions, and red onions. These not only look beautiful, but also caramelize while baking, adding sweetness and flavor. Sprinkle a little more of your seasoning on top, so the vegetables soak up that same delicious flavor. Squeeze half a lime over everything, then finish with a few sprigs of fresh rosemary and parsley. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and bake the fish for about 35 minutes. While it's baking, you can prepare your sides. I like to roast a few potato slices in the same pan. They absorb the fish juices and seasoning, becoming soft inside and golden on the edges. You can also serve this with white rice, plantains, or a simple green salad. After 35 minutes, take a look. The skin should be golden and slightly crispy, and the flesh should flake easily with a fork. That's when you know your snapper is baked to perfection. And here it is, a beautiful, flavorful, perfectly baked whole snapper. It smells amazing, looks incredible, and tastes even better. The combination of lemon, garlic, herbs, and peppers gives it that fresh coastal flavor that never fails to impress. If you enjoy simple, delicious recipes like this one, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.